Wow. Wow. What are we doing today?
We're gonna try to find some manatees. We are in the beautiful state of Florida and they have some great natural springs here, so just in case there's gators.
Gators, huh?
Armed and ready.
Yeah, I come visit her in Florida and she's like, we're gonna go swim with some sea cows, and brings
Some
a knife for
gators.
gators. Seems like
Welcome to Florida.
my kind of adventure. So we're supposed to have a kayak where we're going, but we don't. We are gonna swim to our destination.
A little bit of a swim, but we're
It's a big swim, actually. Yeah.
You're just being nice about it.
Just being nice about it.
Okay.
So it's gonna be fun. We're excited about this, and hopefully we see some sea cows along the way.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get eaten by a gator. We'll report back.
Well, our stuff we have right here is my good old favorite oval vintage style dive mask. She's going with the new style, her custom, less cool
but effective
mustache. Got our fins. I for some reason brought the wrong wetsuit, so I stand out like Gumby.
That was my fault, I packed it.
That's okay. Warmth is the goal. And then I'm gonna bring the dome housing, and hopefully we can get some pretty sweet below and above surface shots out of this.
No paddle crap on.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Look at all these kayakers.
This is hilarious.
Bird on the water fishing.
All right, well, we're gonna launch right here. We're gonna launch our buttocks. We don't have a kayak. We should. We have a decent amount of stuff to swim, but that's okay. What are you seeing?
Tons of little fishies. This is a whole little mini ecosystem in here. Cool. We'd have to shovel?
I don't think so.
Maybe. Oh well. I might swim out before I put my fins on.
I would.
You just get better. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm glad we have wetsuits. It's a little chilly.
Yeah, good idea on the wetsuit.
Actually, will you hold my mask for
Yeah,
you? Sorry,
got
did
it.
I step on your foot?
Oh no, you're fine.
Thanks for asking. Something different.
I love it.
I love you.
Oh. Yeah, I love you guys too.
I didn't get an I love you back, but you guys did, so that's good.
Got your mask?
Yep. Leave it up. Snorkeling in the bayou is kind of
There we go.
Hey.
Alright, so the plan is we're gonna sprint. We should be having a kayak right now, but we don't. We are
Making it work.
making it work via legs and hands.
I stirred up the water a little. Stirred up the bottom a little bit.
That's okay.
Okay. You want me to swim in the front so you can help watch my back?
Uh-huh.
What's this, Mikey?
I think it's for me. Yep, we gotta remember that spot so we don't have to pay. Famous last words of Stevie. Unfortunately,
don't tell them I said that.
No manatees. We didn't see any manatees, but it was still really fun. And we saw a bunch of fish, schools of fish.
Tons of fish. Big fish.
And the water clarity was nuts. When you got to the actual spring, it was like crystal clear. It's kind of freaky.
Oh, it's like someone's swimming pool, but with a bunch of fish in it.
Saw turtles.
Yeah.
So it was still a fun trip, just no manatees.
Still a success. We were just missing the manatees.
Look at this guy, and we got some. I can't wait to see what dive shots I got of her with the dome housing. And let me hold this for 1 second. There's probably pee in that booty.
It's definitely pee.
It is, isn't it? I knew it. I was suspect of that. She pees all the time. She even pooped in her wetsuit this time.
It's diarrhea, so it didn't count. Edit that out.
Too much information. Poo-poo Stevie.
Poo-poo
Ka-choo. Thank you for watching. And hopefully you got some insight of what it's like to dive twin sisters or triple sisters.
Three sisters.
Three sisters. Same thing. Triple, three, whatever. And have a nice afternoon.
Scuba Stevie.
All right.
Out.
Yeah. Wow. Well, there goes poop all over the dang Dodge.
Poop.
What?
It's not
That's poop. Look at his brown. You pooped in your wetsuit and you just fling it like it's your chimpanzee.